Okay friends, in this video we are going to make trades of $500 each time with our favorite strategy, that is parabolic SAR strategy. I'll explain you exactly how this strategy works, even though I have already explained it in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 92% payout and is OTC currency pairs. Okay, just make this yellow and you'll see all of this currency pair at here. Once you do this, then just select these candles and make it S5 so that all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now if it is flag, make it clock and select S5 as a trading time frame. So your trading time frame is also going to be a 5-second, and then just implement this indicator that is called parabolic SAR. You don't need to make any changes to this indicator, just simply implement it in your chart. Now the strategy is extremely simple. Whenever the market, these candles are below the parabolic SAR dot, and whenever the second dot is forming, you make a trade by clicking on lower. But whenever the candles are above the SAR dot, parabolic SAR dot, and whenever the second dot is forming, you make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this, and in this video we are going to make trade of $500 each in 5-second time frame. So let's switch to this chart and search for our signals. Here you could have got a signal, but we were a little bit late. So let's see in other currency pair. This has 68% payout. Just keep your eye on this payout also. Okay, so we have 85% payout. Here you can see 58% payout. Let's remove those. Okay, because this kind of payout is not worth taking the risk, like 52% payout, 92% payout. It would be a good payout for us. So here you can see 88% payout. So let's go. Here you can see second dot was forming, but we made a trade a little bit late, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a profit. That was sweet. So now let's see in another chart. Let's get the same type of signal. If sometime you are inconfident about the trades, here you can see second dot was trying to form. So exactly at that time I made a trade by clicking on lower, and yes, we made a profit in this also. So it is already over $900 in profit by investing $500 per trade. So let's see if there are more good entry point. So now what happened, I'm already profitable. Okay, in this case, in this type of case, what I can think is whenever I make one loss, then I will stop trading. That kind of mindset would be extremely helpful. If you already have made 2 trades, right, and you are already in profit of over $900. So now if you make one trade loss, then you will lose $500 and you can stop trading for that day, and you still will have that $400 profit in your pocket. Okay, that kind of thing can be helpful for you. So here already a second dot had formed and I missed it while I was explaining it to you. So now whenever one trade goes lost, then I will stop trading. So your 100% of your trades are not going to be right even with this strategy, so you need to have a backup plan for that. Here you can see 80% payout. Just remove that. 92% payout is only the currency pair that you can trade on. So let's see if I can find some good entry point. No, yeah, this could have been a good entry point. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so I made a loss at here. So now what I can do is I can stop trading for today. Okay, you can also do the same thing. So this is strategy working for everyone who is using it. So I would suggest you to extremely use this strategy. I'll see you inside. I'll see you in my another video. Bye bye.